Welcome to Blue Justin. Still Justin, still not blue. As you might have known, I've been on holiday, therefore I haven't produced any videos for a while, but now I'm back. This is the first of 3 steelbook unboxings of titles that arrived whilst I was away. Obviously that does mean the competition on guess which 3 it is on my Blue Justin Facebook page group is now closed, so please don't enter. I think we've probably got a winner already, but I'll only reveal that at the end of all 3 videos. Okay, let's get on with it. And today's title is the Amazon exclusive for X-Men Dark Phoenix. Now, obviously, the film split opinions, and whilst I didn't think it was as good as it could be or promised, I do think that it had very good reasons why not, but I'm not going to go into that. Obviously, you all just have to know that I obviously thought it was still good enough that I really wanted it in my collection, and I thought it was worth the 4K exclusive steelbook. So, without further ado, let's get on with this unboxing. Let's see if I knew one day it wasn't going to work. I have to use a knife on it. Obviously, very, very carefully. Don't need that wrapping. That's a bit less reflective. That is the front of the Amazon Steelbook. I think it's really, really good design. It's a satin type finish, and unfortunately no embossing or debossing, but we can't always have everything. Not even any spot glossing on the title, which is a great shame. I think they could have done that. However, there you go again. That's the front. I shall just show you the back with the slip on it, just because that's all the features and whatnot, if you want to pause it there. I shall take the slip or J card off. It's open bottom, so it's not actually J, but as you can probably guess, that's just going to be it without the age rating stickers on. Same picture just continues on down, and that is the front. The back is very, very simple. Still, again, no embossing, debossing, spot glossing, anything. And it even has, which is a bit annoying, the Marvel copyright, etc. down at the bottom, actually on the steelbook, which is quite annoying. However, I shall open it up. Oh, that's a shame. I knew I'd been too lucky recently with disc art. This time, no disc art. That's the Blu-ray. It says it's all region though. So if anybody does want to get this UK steelbook and get it abroad, you will be able to play the Blu-ray as well as the 4K, even if you're not 4K enabled yet. And that is still no disc art for the 4K. That's, so we can get the edges without too much reflection. That's the interior art. Well, at least we have interior art. Not absolutely brilliant, but it's different, and lots of people might really, really like it. People have different choices and tastes. And I shall now do a full front back spine on the outside. So right, that's it. That is, just putting it away carefully, the Amazon exclusive for the X-Men Dark Phoenix steelbook. If you want to see some of those a bit closer up, I'm intending to do some photos and see if I can just do a little montage at the end. I've been asked to see if we can get a bit more detail sometimes. So hopefully just after this bit's finished, before the end credits come up, I'll just be able to put up a few photos. Okay, thank you ever so much for watching. If you want to see more of my unboxings, which are coming up very, very soon, please like, subscribe, share. I would be appreciated. And also obviously visit my Blue Justin Group Facebook page for more information on any competitions, etc., that might not get announced here if I haven't had time to actually make a video to do so. That last one, the guessing the 3 steelbooks, was purely done off my cuff when I got back from being on holiday. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Much appreciated. See you very, very soon.
All the dreams you've wanted.